Well, the back-to-school photos are all the rage on social media this week. Kids are getting their haircuts. Everybody's going back to school, so the summer's coming to an end, and with it, the final installment of the Southwyck Lanes Bowling Challenge.
So last week we had our first big winner of the summer, which means today's jackpot was a little smaller than usual, and so they're bowling till it's done. Let's take a look. $34 in this week's jackpot. Up first, Willie Leapart. He gets 3 chances. He's on the right track, gets a strike for his first shot, so there's at least $10 gone.
10. Yep. His second ball comes into the pocket and wow!
Just the one left.
So that's 19.
It is. He gets a chance to get 20 here. Does he get it? It looks on track. Of
Picks
course
up the
he
spare.
does.
So congratulations to Willie for $20. So we still had some money left into the pot. So that means Ken Green gets his shot to take home some cash from Southwyck Lanes. His first ball knocks down 7.
$7 for Ken. He likes bowling, basketball, and working out hobbies. Let's see if he can gets 3 more for 13, and so gets another toss. He gets the $14. Congratulations to all of our Southwyck Lanes Bowling Challenge participants this summer, and thanks for keeping it interesting each and every Wednesday.